What's up, guys? Dave here with Computer Class Online, and today we're going to talk about how to create posts for social media using Adobe Spark Post. So navigate to spark.adobe.com and sign up for an account. You want to hit the Start Now button. It's going to take you to this page, and I would recommend signing up with your email and getting into the account. Once you get into the account, it is going to look a lot like this. And so what I recommend is you go to Home and you can see all of the projects that they offer here. And then you can create a project. When you create a project, they give you options, and it's always recommended to start with something that's associated with your brand. So if you're on YouTube, make a YouTube thumbnail. If you are on Facebook, make a Facebook post. But the one that seems to be the most versatile for me, because I'm using Facebook, Instagram, and all sorts of things, is really an Instagram post because it can be posted in many different social media avenues. So I'm going to click that, but again, it may vary for you. It's going to create this post, and then what I can do under the template search section here is search for exactly what I'm looking for, which you don't have to use the Every Moment Matters template. Every moment does matter. But anyway, social is what I'm searching for, and I get all of these options for social. This one, social media tips. That's what we're talking about. Social media. Where to go? Create from this template, and you have the option there to save the current template, if I could talk. What you want to do right off the bat is remove this logo. Again, you've created a free account. You don't have to pay for this. That's what Adobe Spark Post is for. You can remove it for once, just for, and they'll pop up this thing, this advertisement. Blah, 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 just get rid of it. Okay, so we have all this stuff on the sides. We have text. Some of these are premium features if you pay for it, which I don't, so that's exactly why I don't have it. But you could just click and they appear. Okay, so we've got text, we've got photos, and it's recommended if you need a photo for the background that you would probably click on find free photos right there. And again, social brings up all those options. Icons, they have a great library of icons to pick through. I don't know why the word flower is being searched for, but social. Let's just see what they've got. There we go. Connective. I like it. I like it. I like it. Not sure the color really represents it. Again, you could change color. So ugly, but nonetheless, we're just throwing it in there. What the heck? Moving on to assets, there are different pieces that are already pre-cut out, almost like photoshopped elements, which you can search for as well and add to your document, like a paperclip. Who doesn't need one of those? That's very big. Whoa. Yeah, we don't need that. Anyway, backgrounds, perfect because you could just click and it adds a background, slide it over top the whole thing. If I want it to go to the back, I just change the little layer order here and pow, it's to the back. Of course, I don't really need that, but you get the point. That's how you would use it. Again, if you click the background or you click anything really, it allows you to, you could add a image to the background or you could change the color of the current background. Logo is where you might add your branding. I don't really have any branding. It gives you that option when you first spawn in, and yeah, I didn't add it, so no option. Boom, boom. Libraries, if you want to create a library of things you upload and constantly, they give you kind of a default one. Here's some assets that you can load into it. You could create like a folder of assets that you regularly use. But anyway, so that's that side. If I click different items, I have a lot of ability here to just change this to be transparent. I can center, move around. I can do curves with text. I can change the shadow outline and sundry other things. I could also double click and change the text if I want to. Something that should be noted is, let me go back to that. I can duplicate things and I can edit the text from here, or I can trash it. So lots of options to play with there. If I click out of it on the pasteboard area here, I've got colors. I can change my current color theme. Whoa, that does not look good. Oh, that's even worse. Oh, so much worse. Wish I could go back. Oh wait, I can go back right here. A little back arrow. That's super helpful. And where was it? There we go. So much better. We've got animation, which is so cool. So you can do different things like typewriter and it will write everything out. and there's different options with typewriter. Each one you click kind of has a drop down. Flicker, ooh, that's catchy. The shuffle, color shuffle, you just look at that. Wow, incredible. Doesn't that just burn your eyes? Oh, that's even worse. No, let's go grow. Ooh, wow. 5 social media tips to grow. Where to go? To grow your. Okay, whatever. Resize. You could again, if you created this graphic and then you're like, this would be really good for Facebook. Just right there. Facebook. You just click it and bam, it's a Facebook graphic that fast. How about YouTube thumbnail? I might make this the thumbnail for this. I'm definitely going to delete that. That's so worthless. I could just press delete on my keyboard. It's that easy. Anyway, resize. Yeah, you can do whatever you want for all of this. And then design. You could obviously just pick one of their pre-done designs here. And of course, last but not least, downloading. Click the download button. You could use it as a video because you have motion. I've added motion. That gives the video option. If you don't add motion, no video option. For most things, applications online, PNG works. If you have a lot of photos in the graphic, probably good to do JPEG. If you're doing PDF, that's interesting, but good for you. Maybe you're doing a document. I don't know. But anyway, start downloading. And then I'm going to pick a solid color. You could also, if you have part of it that is transparent, you could download as a transparency, which is so cool. And there it is. Social media tips. Grow your social media following with these tips. What was the tips? Use Adobe Spark Post. If you haven't liked the video and subscribed to the channel, as always, please do so. And again, I will see you in the next video.